What's up, everybody? Been a hot minute since I've been on with a video. Today's video is basically just going to be buttoning up little last minute things here before I get ready for the motor to be dropped into the engine bay, which should be happening later this month. I got a few buddies of mine through the Lexus community that are going to come and hopefully help me out and get that really put in nice and easy, and things should be good after that, and we'll start getting things really going here. So today I'm going to just show you my new torque converter I got from level 10. It's a 3500 RPM high stall torque converter. So hopefully it'll be good for launching. I got it a little high so I could build up some boost before I actually take off. Hopefully that doesn't mess things up, but this is kind of just like a throw and go kind of thing. We'll see how it works and we'll make adjustments after. I also have like a Serpentine Belt that I need to put on, my engine hook. I got a crankshaft sensor that I need to put on because wires got severed while I pulled the motor. So something, just little things that I need to do right now. So today that's what the video is going to be about. All right, give you a little glimpse of my level 10 torque converter here. Packed pretty nice. Oh, look at that. Looks like a regular torque converter. Geez, I wonder if it's actually rebuilt or not. Maybe they just painted it and sent it off. I have no idea. The only way I'll find out is when I put it in and try it. Or I can trust they put that sticker on it, so that must mean that it's badass. Bulletproof. I don't know if that'll focus or not. There we go. Bulletproof torque converter. It's gotta be then, dude. It's gotta be. So while we're talking about transmissions here in this video really quick, just wanted to share with you something that was kind of lame that I had to deal with, but necessary. This little hose right here, this little breather valve, hooks onto your transmission about like so. And there's a plastic piece down here that the fluid can kind of breathe and sort of trickle when you drive hard. A little bit of fluid might come out, or vapors, or whatever the case, I don't know. But it is necessary to have. Not exactly sure why, but it has to be there. The shitty thing about it is that this plastic piece that goes in, it sucks. It's brittle. And all three transmissions I have, they're broken. Couldn't find it online. Had to order it through the dealership. This stupid little piece, $37. Crazy. One of the dumb things you have to deal with when building your motor and transmission. Oh well. Okay, here are the two pieces for the breather assembly. Here's the part numbers, just so it's easy for you to locate if anybody is rebuilding their transmission or needs to get these because theirs broke. And you will have to order them at the dealership. I could not find these online, and it was, I believe, a special order, so just a heads up there. Okay, new breathers installed here, as you can see, down here at the bottom, up at the top. Not sure what this little hose hook here is for, but it came with it assembled. It's part of the plastic. It wasn't on my old one, but I don't think that's really going to affect anything. If for whatever reason, I'll just cut it. No big deal. All right, that part's done. Okay, so here's basically where the crank sensor is, and the wires that got snipped right here. So what I have to do is I gotta pull this out and basically just adjust my alternator so I can get in there. And where's it at? Get to that bolt right there. Okay, new sensor is in. Back to a normal connector, no severed wires, good to go. Okay, so since I'm using the ATI Super Dampener crank pulley, I need a different size serpentine belt than stock. So this right here is the Gates serpentine belt. Check out the number there. This is actually from a newer model, Pontiac GTO, like the LS motors. So yeah, this is what you're gonna need if running the ATI Super Damper pulley. Alright, here we go. Got the serpentine belt on. Good thing I had my buddy slash neighbor Marco come over here and help me put this on. I thought I was going to be able to do it by myself, but hell no. You have to really pull on this and get the tension down in order to squeeze it on right here, but everything's good. I'm gonna show a picture of the route just in case anybody needs to know. And yeah, that's that. Tow hooks next. This is a beat up ugly piece of shit, so I'm gonna have to paint this thing, but it'll go right there, like so. I'm gonna do black, just to keep it simple, and we're gonna do that right now. Okay, engine hooks all painted and ready to get put back on. Probably gonna get messed up a little bit with the installation, but I'll just touch it up later after all said and done. Alright, engine hook is installed, looking pretty good. I'm liking what I'm seeing here. Everything is pretty complete here, and we are ready to get this motor installed and put together in the engine bay. Looking pretty good, ready to kick some ass here. Yeah. Alright, thanks for taking the time to check this video out and my progress on my build. Really excited, got my last little things dealt with there, and motor's ready to go in. So a couple weeks away and that's happening. I'm super stoked and just couldn't be more ready. So stay tuned and keep looking back for updates on the build. Alright, thanks for watching. Peace.